We explored here CNC FANUC control system on turning and milling module. This segment offers hands-on learning and operating a CNC system virtually through a PC, which feels like running a real machine with a simulated environment with virtual machine operating panel. Before using the actual control system, users can have basic CNC knowledge with our NC editor system, where inbuilt program structure and simulation is available to have detailed programming information. In VM you'll learn to select tools and raw materials based on your project needs using a virtual tool turret and material library. The program allows for viewing the machine from multiple angles. You can also explore tool paths and machine with or without guards, as well as specialized views like half cut and quarter cut. Then, we'll create a program in edit mode and run the machine in auto mode to see a virtual simulation of cutting material. Teach system includes cutting-edge automatic assessment tools to streamline the evaluation process for both learners and assessors. Thank you.